JCP Youth is a charitable organisation working with at-risk youth across Tasmania. In order to achieve positive outcomes for our young people, we partner with some amazing businesses, companies and individuals across our state.
At Downer, we are passionate about supporting the communities in which we work. One of the best ways we are doing that is providing support to JCP Youth. We know it takes a community to raise a young person. That's why our support of JCP Youth is so important. We want to build a stronger future together.